Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. To celebrate, my friend Maria and I are doing this fun collaboration. This is the beautiful manicure that she prepared and you can find a link to her video in the description box below. I hope you'll stop by and say hello. Let's get started with my design. I thought this red Barielle polish would be perfect as a base. It's called Elle Spell. I'm using this Born Pretty store stamping plate from their Valentine's Day collection. Since it's my first time using it, I'll have to remove the blue protective film. Now we can see the images a little bit better. To stamp, I'll use my Maniology's white and gold polishes. They're called Bam White and Heart of Gold. For our designs, we chose to do double stamped images. So for each one, I first applied the polish on the plate, starting with the white polish, scraped off the excess, picked it up with my stamper, and stamped it directly onto my nail. Then I followed the same steps using the gold stamping polish. After stamping, I used a piece of tape to remove the excess polish that was on my skin. Then I seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And the manicure is now complete. I really love the way it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I want to say thank you to my friend Maria for joining me in this fun Valentine's Day collab. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!